Redhead is deep into reading, and Dolly is in the middle of a game looking for a tiny chips bag. Soak chips in water and cut out small circles with a cap. Let them dry on parchment paper. Cover a piece of yellow paper with a small chips label and attach with clear tape. Make the package using double-sided tape. Put in the mini chips. The first bag is hiding right behind Redhead. Hurry! I have found it! These chips are super tiny, but the sound of munching distracts Redhead from reading. Oops! I sneak away immediately. Hungry Dolly can't find anything delicious in the kitchen. She doesn't like plain fruit. She would like to have something more substantial. A pizza, a burger, or even a whole lamb. I am here to help my friend. I'm going to bring peanut butter. Put some peanut butter into a little jar and attach a tiny label using double-sided tape. Dolly is looking forward to getting her peanut butter. She's prepared toast and a knife. She is going to cover the toast with a thick layer of the yummy. Who could suppose the portion would be so tiny? How can I get it out? We managed to shake it out of the jar. This tiny portion won't be enough even for one slice of toast. Dolly is angry. It looks like a food sample. A huge bag of chips is a perfect snack for Dolly. Phew! She's hardly managed to bring them to the sofa. Open, bite, and crunch! Add 1 egg yolk to 7 ounces of mashed potato. Add 1 ounce of butter, turmeric, and salt. Put 3 tablespoons of flour and knead the dough. Fold foil 10 times. Put a sheet of parchment paper on top and fold them together accordion style. Sprinkle a board with starch and roll out the dough to get a thin layer. Put it onto the foil with parchment paper. Let it follow the corrugated shape. Put it into an oven for 20 to 30 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Mix paprika with vegetable oil and apply it onto the baked chip. Attach foil to one side of a big paper piece to make a package. Attach a big printed out chips label to the other side. Hot glue the package and put in the big chips. How about making a cute photo shoot? A giant chip barely fits into a shot, but I look like a tiny fairy in comparison to it. And here comes Redhead. She should see how cute my photos are. But she doesn't come empty-handed. She brings healthy fruit, and she takes away my chips. It's time for a healthy snack. Of course, it's great, but a photo with a pear won't get a ton of likes. Dolly has a whole plate of cookies, but she is fed up with them. Redhead brings healthy veggies, but she doesn't like them either. There is nobody you can amaze with veggies nowadays. Still, if you make mini tacos with them, it's a whole different story. Cut out a circle out of flat bread with a cutter. Bend it in half and fasten with a toothpick. Let it dry in a microwave. Let's prepare the stuffing now. Chop cucumber, tomato, lettuce, corn, and fried ground meat finely. Mix everything and put the stuffing into the dry flatbread. Attach a small Mexican taco label to a piece of paper. Fold it into a triangle and put the mini taco in it. Redhead bites off the tiny snack with caution. But this is actually very delicious. It's a pity that we run out of mini tacos so fast. And now we have only cookies and veggies again. Did you like our snack ideas? Then write in your comments which size of chips you will choose. Will you take a chance to bring a huge box of popcorn to the movies? Or will you treat your friends with mini tacos? And don't forget to give your thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and click the bell so that you don't miss new creative food ideas on the Troom Troom channel.